Hi, hello again. So look at the present question. This was asked in 2025 JEE entrance examination. So try to understand the problem. Here, two different complex numbers were given in a modulus format. That means they represent circles. Okay, let us consider the first circle. So Z1, how it was taken. Z1, if you try to take minus as a common factor, you can see you can write 8 plus 2i less than or equal to 1. Okay, for example, you can represent the circle equation with center 8 comma 2 and the radius is 1 unit. So this complex number is always showing below of the boundaries. Okay, because it's less than it's saying. Okay, so another one is also given Z2 minus, if you take minus common, you can write 2 minus 6i and it is below 2. So this is another circle it represents with center 2 comma minus 6. You can write center and radius as real part and imaginary part. Center as real part and imaginary part, and radius value will be, you can see here, this is radius, which is 2. Okay, let us suppose say it is A and this is B. So he is asking modulus of Z1 minus Z2, Z1 minus Z2 minimum. So modulus Z1 minus Z2 minimum, it represent this area, boundaries between area. Okay, actually the first circle represent Z1 complex number and its range, and second one represent Z2 complex number. So Z1 minus Z2 is nothing but AB. That means the distance between A and B, and subtract these boundaries, then you can see this area, right? So minus R1 minus R2. So AB, how to calculate AB? Distance between two centers, 2 points, you know, how to calculate. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36. 2 plus 6, 8 square is 64, which is 100. 100 means it will be 10. So 10 minus 2 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7. So minimum value 7 is correct answer.